Welcome to my channel Dolly Bibi. Today I'm making the craft of Environment Day. If you did not subscribe my channel, subscribe it and click the bell icon. And also watch it till end. Let's start our craft. I'm taking paper plate, pencil, eraser, scissors, glue, colors, brushes, and palette. Let's color the paper plate to look it like art. My earth is ready. Now I am going to make some trees. Now let's make the sign of recycling. Now let's make bins because we should throw the litter in the bins. I will glue all the things. World Environmental Day is the People Day for doing something to protect environment, like planting more trees, recycling products, more usage of public transports, and by saving electricity. So we should follow all these steps and make our earth a happy place to live in. Happy World Environmental Day to all of you. And thanks for watching my video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello, I'm Arham. My sister made a good craft. Please subscribe our channel, and click the bell button.